All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. First things first, I want to wish everyone a super safe, super happy, super fun 4th of July. Enjoy your time with friends, family. I'm not doing a full-blown video today just because I want people out barbecuing, having fun, not sitting inside watching YouTube videos, right? But for you, those of you that are, I did want to talk to you really quickly about the Odelfi Headlamp, and this thing is fantastic. They actually reached out to me and they gave me some products to give away. So I'm going to be giving away 3 of these units. So make sure you comment down below and then also go onto my website and join our mailing list. If you joined the mailing list in the past, you're still entered. No worries there, guys. But I'm going to choose a winner from the mailing list and then 2 from the comments down below. So if you want to up your chances to win, enter on both. But anyways, guys, really quickly, this thing is fantastic. Now, it's no scan grip headlamp, but this thing is more comfortable. It's lighter weight. It just has this little mechanism on the side here, and then it has this huge LED strip up front here. And you can just push the button and it'll filter through. There's 4 different settings. You have a high, a low for this piece, and then you have a little direct, like a little spotlight, and you have a high, low on that too. So let me go ahead and show you. We're on, and low. So really, really cool headlamp. I actually really like it. I'm going to start using this more often just for, again, when I'm doing my paint corrections and all that, I'm still wearing my scan grip. But when I'm doing interiors of cars, this thing works fantastic because it gives you a wide range of light and it's super comfortable. It's not, and you look cool, right? You know, if you're familiar with the channel, I usually have a hat on. You can obviously wear it with a hat as well, but I thought this would be more entertaining. But anyways, I'm gonna really quickly just hop into one of my cars and just show you guys the difference. My shop is lit, right? It's bright in here, but still, sometimes when you're working in a car, especially if you're working in your garage, going under the seats and all that kind of stuff, it's hard to see everything, and having a headlamp like this really helps out, and you're not having to worry about holding onto another piece of equipment, another flashlight. So let me go ahead and jump in there real quick. All right, guys, so here we are. This is my 69 Ford Fairlane, and the lighting's gonna be tricky because it has these weird red lights that I haven't fixed yet. But here, we'll just go to the lights on the seat, and I'm gonna go ahead and fire the headlamp on. And look at the difference there. Like all this dust and everything, you couldn't see when it was off, right? Or I didn't notice. I guess you can see it now that I know it's there. But this just highlights it. Bam, there it is. So now I know I gotta clean in there, gotta work in this area. You know, it's just a fantastic little headlamp. And again, it has the ability to turn it into a spotlight as well. So there's the spotlight selection. So just if you need a more direct light, then you have that option as well. So that's it, guys. The Odelfi headlamp, awesome. It's like kind of like a silicone coated, but it has this nice soft, really soft rubber piece, almost foamy. So it's really comfortable to wear. I really enjoy it. It's a great little unit. I will have a link down in the description if you don't want to wait for the giveaway and you just want to get one. I'll have a link in the description to their direct site. Right when you go to the site, they do offer like a 10% off right away. So if you don't want to go through my link, just go to their website. I'll link them both down in the description, and pick yourself up one because it's a good little handy piece to have. I also really like fishing, and sometimes I'll do some night fishing at some of our local ponds around the San Diego area, and having a light just makes it easier for me to tie my lures on and all that kind of good stuff. So nighttime running, all that kind of stuff, fantastic, but also really a good choice for car detailing. Again, not specifically for paint, although this little spotlight option on paint, you're going to be able to see more imperfections. Again, not the scan grip, not to that level, but a fantastic choice for a super lightweight, super comfortable headlamp. So that's it, guys. Just a really quick video for you. Again, happy 4th of July to everyone. Be safe out there, and we'll see you back on Tuesday. I have a bunch of videos I'm going to be shooting over the weekend and getting them all out for you. Some good ones coming up. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure to like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.